Hi, Kate. Are you eating a peanut butter sandwich? You're eating a peanut butter sandwich. Hi. You look like you have a runny nose. You have a runny nose? Oh, well. You like your food? Uh-oh, you got a cough too. You've been a little bit sick. Is that your foot? Is that your foot? I see your foot. I see your foot. Psst. Jasper. Jasper.
You take a picture of me.
Yeah. You say your ABCs? You're getting really good at that.
Cheese.
Cheese.
And I'm going to shop.
You're going to shop. Is that your shopping cart? Hi, Kate. Eating your peanut butter sandwich. Is Jasper going somewhere? Well, I think I'm going to turn this thing off now. Bye-bye, Kate. Bye-bye.